I am now going to show you how to use Facebook Scheduler to pre-schedule party posts in your Facebook party. Specifically, how to do it in multiple parties at a time without wasting any minutes, therefore streamlining the process. I will also show you some tips on having the best possible Facebook party. So once you have your party set up, you have your outline that you're using. I keep my outline in Microsoft Word. So if you look in my Microsoft Word, everything is listed out. Here, hold on, let me go to the top. It's listed out by date and time, so you can see it's the month, Sunday, 10 a.m., 12 p.m. It has the words and the image. On Facebook, you cannot copy an image by copying and pasting. So I'm up to the very last one, so I'm going to show you guys this one. You can't copy and paste the image. So here's what I do. Pardon the many tabs I have open at the top, but that's how I function. So I have one tab open for each party that I have running this week. So I have 5 parties running. So you'll see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Facebook tabs open, one for each of the, whoops, one for each of the parties that I currently have going on. One day I'll learn how to block all the pop-ups while I'm doing these videos, but until then, just bear with me. So I have one tab open for each of the parties that I'm currently running. And over here, I have my outline. In addition to having my outline in Microsoft Word, I have a file on my computer that has all of the images for my outline for that given month organized by day of the week and time. So you'll notice Friday 1 p.m., Friday 3 p.m., Friday 5 p.m. That's done by design to help make it easier when I'm attaching the images to the post. So come check out what I mean. So I'm doing Sunday at 3 p.m. Sunday is the only day that lapse because I do my pre-posts the first Sunday and I do my last reminder post the second Sunday. So you'll notice when I take the image, it's going to be listed as last Sunday, just so I know which Sunday it is to make my life easier. So I'm going to copy text. I'm going to go into Facebook and I'm literally just going to paste the text here. If the text has the host's name in it, which only a very few of my posts do, but if it's one of the ones that have the host's name in it, I'll just go in here. I'll add the name. Oh, sorry. I'll add the name and then I go into video, photos, video, sorry. I make sure I'm in my January outline folder and then I'll type up last Sunday right there. So if I was doing Thursday, that'll list out all, you'll see all my Thursday pictures. On Sunday, I only do one, so last Sunday, 3 p.m. Then I go into the next party right here, paste, just change the name, do the same thing, attach the last Sunday picture. While the picture is uploading, I'm moving on to the next one. This way you're not wasting time watching and waiting for the picture to upload, because if you have multiple parties going on at the same time, you can waste, 5 to 10 minutes waiting for all of those pictures to upload. So instead of waiting for them to upload, utilize that time by going and pasting the text into the next party while it's uploading. So do the same here. This is my last one. There we go. And then I will do that. So once you have that all done, you'll go back to the first one. You'll see the picture is uploaded. Your words are there. Scroll to the bottom of this. So this is how you would normally post if you're posting live. You'll see, whoops. You'll see there's a little clock on the bottom. And if you hover over the clock, it says schedule post. If you click that, you can then tell it when you want it to schedule. So I want this to schedule on Sunday at 3 p.m. I stagger all of my parties by 10 minutes. So if my first party is going up at Sunday at 3 p.m., this guy is going to go Sunday at 3:10 p.m. This guy will go Sunday at 3:20 p.m. And the reason for this is Facebook has made it known that they don't like it when we post in multiple places at the same time because it makes it look like we're a robot. And you can end up getting Facebook restrictions because of it. So we avoid that. So I stagger, no matter how many parties I'm doing, we stagger by 10 minutes. 3:30 p.m. And then last but not least, 3:40 p.m. Okay. So that's the how on how to stagger posts and how to actually use Facebook Scheduler. One other thing I did want to show you guys is something that I do every single day in my parties that I find is really helpful with creating and maintaining engagement. And it also proves to be a tool on the last day of the party. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So every single day I log into each of my parties and you look over here. This shows you all the guests in your party. And then this note right here, it says you have one new member this week. So once you've welcomed a guest, I'm sorry, which I'm about to show you, this goes away. And this message will only pop up if new people join the group since you've last done the action that I'm about to show you. So every single day I go in. If there's no new people, then I skip this step. If there's any new people, I click write post. It'll automatically tag anyone who's joined the group since the last time you did this. And if you've never done it, it'll tag everyone in the group. Um, Usually on the first or second day, there'll be a lot of names, and then it'll be one or two people, for the rest of the day. So you leave that person tagged. I change the verbiage. You can do whatever you want. I always start it with welcome to the party. And then I make a conversation piece. So tell me, what is your fondest memory in the kitchen from your childhood? These can be any questions. They can be, just you want it to be something engaging. So my first day, I usually ask, are you a Pampered Chef newbie or a veteran? Often I'll ask, do you live to cook or cook to live? So it can be anything. I add a GIF in here. Cooking. You really can do anything you want. What's important is that you are tagging them and that you're putting, I don't know why that guy's not working. Let's try that again. And you're putting a call to action, which requests for them to respond and also for anybody else to respond. And then you'll post that. You're going to do this every single day in your party. So what'll happen on Friday? So Friday is my last active day of posting, and then Saturday and Sunday are just reminders. So Friday morning, I will go into my party and you go into the search group. If you guys don't know the search group feature, everyone should learn it. So on our team pages or on any of the Pampered Chef pages, if you ever have a question, like a logistical question on how to do something, search for it first because or if you're looking for a specific picture, search for it first before posting or messaging somebody and asking them because you're likely going to find it there. So anyway, search in this group. I search for the word welcome. Oh, you know what you have to do first? Sorry. First, you want to make sure you take the party link, the shopping link that's in the pinned post, and you want to copy the party link. So you have that copied and ready to go. Then you type welcome, if you could type and not type out. Okay. So this will pull up all of your welcome posts from each day. So that's one, that's one, that's one. You're going to go into, I'm not going to do it now because it's not Friday, but I'm going to show you. You're going to go into each of these posts. So you see that tags all the people on the first day. And then in the comments, I'm going to write, don't forget, today is the last day of the Facebook fun. Let me know if you have any questions or you can place your orders right here. And then you add your link right in there. So that's doing a couple of different things. First of all of the people that are tagged in that message are automatically going to see this because they're tagged in it. It's going to say new comment on post you're tagged in. So they're going to open it up and they're going to be like, oh, wow, I forgot the party ends today. Every single week, once I do this, the next couple hours, orders start flowing in. It is a guaranteed way to remind people of orders without obnoxiously actually tagging every single person and saying, hey, you didn't order, hey, you didn't order, hey, you didn't order. This is a generic way of just letting everybody know if you haven't already ordered, here's the link, click right on that, make your life easier. You want to do this in all of the posts, so not just this one. You're going to want to go through it and do it in all of the welcome posts because you'll see different people are tagged each day. Also, that you don't want to put the shopping link into too many of your posts throughout the party because if you do, Facebook is going to put you on restrictions as well because it also seems spammy and that you're using their platform to sell, which we are, but they don't love it. So those are 2 or 3 of some of my favorite little tips on how to encourage orders and how to create engagement in your party. Hope that's helpful and good luck on your parties.